Assalamualaikum guys, this is Rabshan Azif and you are watching Crazy Information Technology. In today's video, I am going to review of Huawei Nova 3i. Hope you enjoy our unique idea of reviewing a mobile or a smartphone. So please subscribe our channel and click on black bell icon. It will help you to get notified when we upload a new video on our channel. So we are introducing our unique idea of reviewing a mobile. So hope you enjoy this idea, and if you enjoy this idea, please subscribe our channel and let's the video begin.
Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.
So as you can see on your mobile screen or your PC that it has EMUI 8.1, a new way to experience. As you can see the display. So now talk about some display. It has a 3.6 inches display with IPS LCD capacitive touch screen with 16 colors and also 1080 multiplied by 2340 pixels. So great screen, and it is notch display as you can see on your mobile screen. So hope you enjoyed its display with notch. So now come to its main camera. It has dual camera with the back dual camera. With the first is a 16 megapixel with 2.2 aperture, and the other is 2 megapixel with depth sensor. So hope you enjoy the depth sensor. And now come to its front camera, which is also dual camera with 16 megapixel and 2 megapixel with also depth sensor. So now come to its new camera interface. It has new camera interface. As you can see your screen, shooting mode is also available, camera switch is also available, and it has new filters as you can see on your screen. Night shoot, firework, blue sky also available in your mobile. So great to see some new things, some new experience. So now come to its 3D portrait lighting. So hope you enjoy this mode. Somewhere you are just looking for new feature, and in this mobile you can see all about new features. So now come to its platform. It has Android 8.1 Oreo with RAM 4GB and with 64GB ROM with 128GB ROM. So hope you enjoy its fast mode with 4GB RAM. So now come to its face unlock, which is fast and secure access. As you can see, its front camera is too much good as compared to the other mobile. It has dual camera, so its face lock is much better than all mobiles. It's my thought. I didn't know your thoughts. So now talk about its artistic gallery. It has artistic gallery as you can see on your screen. So as I say, that new feature are make you interesting and your mobile more interesting. And as you can see, it has new shopping experience. You did not go any other website. You have built-in shopping experiences also available. So now come to its voice command for camera. It has also Google Assistant, which is more attractive. So hope you enjoy its Google Assistant, and I again say please subscribe our channel. It will help you. So now come to its main highlight, which is natural tone display as you can see on your screen. So people like viewing experience is also available in this kind of mobile. So it is our review. Hope you enjoy our review, and if you enjoy our review, I again and again say please subscribe our channel and click on bell icon. It will help you to get notified when we upload a new video on our channel. So hope you enjoy our new and unique idea of reviewing a smartphone. We upload a video in day or in 2 days. So please subscribe our channel. You will get notified with smartphone, with technology, with latest technology updates. So for now, goodbye. See you in